temperature, and time settings. The left menu is for noodle cooking. The right menu is for cooling. Turn on the main power switch. Turn on the power switch. Press the Confirm button to enter the settings menu. Enter the password 1650. Set the target temperature. The flashing digit indicates the one being modified. After completing the settings, press the Confirm button to enter the time settings menu. Select the menu you wish to edit. The flashing digit shows which numbers you're changing. After making changes, press the button to confirm and enter the basket timing settings. Basket timing is adjusted the same way as target time. When finished, press the button again to save. Up to 6 basket times can be set. When finished, press the button again to save. Short press the temperature key once to view the current temperature. Short press twice to view the target temperature. For example, current temperature 169°F, target temperature 180°F. Machine heating in progress. When heating, the small red dot on the display and the heating indicator light remains on. Once the target temperature is reached, both indicators turn off. Cooking. Before cooking, ensure all drain valves are closed. Place the noodles into the noodle basket. Start the selected cooking menu. The basket will automatically lower. The countdown begins. When the basket shaking time is reached, a beep will sound as a reminder. When the countdown ends, another beep will indicate completion. Move the noodle basket to the cooling section and start